Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about aperture and how it affects your photography. Aperture refers to the opening in your camera lens that allows light to pass through and reach the camera sensor. It's measured in f-stops, with a smaller number indicating a larger aperture and a larger number indicating a smaller aperture. So why is aperture important? Well, the aperture setting can affect the depth of field in your photos. A larger aperture, smaller f-stop number, will create a shallow depth of field, which means that the subject in focus will be sharp while the background will be blurred. This is great for portraits or when you want to isolate your subject from the background. On the other hand, a smaller aperture, larger f-stop number, will create a deeper depth of field, which means that more of the scene will be in focus. This is useful for landscape or architectural photography. Aperture also affects the amount of light that reaches the camera sensor. A larger aperture will allow more light to pass through, which is useful in low light situations. However, a larger aperture also means that less of the scene will be in focus, so you'll need to balance the aperture setting with the desired depth of field. In conclusion, aperture is a crucial aspect of photography that can greatly impact the look and feel of your photos. By understanding the relationship between aperture, depth of field, and light, you can take more control over your photos and create stunning images. Thank you for watching and happy shooting.